The profession of law certainly used to be dominated by men, but that is no longer the case. Rebecca Bartolome tonight tells us that she tells us about a story about one woman who made an impact in the judicial system right here in the UP.
Patricia Micklow was the first ever woman to be elected a judge in the Upper Peninsula. She was elected in 1986 to represent Marquette County in the 96th District Court.
Prior to that, there was one woman judge, but that was before it was required that you had to be an attorney or that you had to be elected.
She attended the University of Michigan in 1973 and says it wasn't the best environment for women at the time.
I did an accelerated course and commuted on the weekends because I had a family at that point. And I was the oldest one in my class. There were only 17% of us were women at that time. There was one woman law professor, and it was not a really friendly place for women in law school like that in that era.
In school, Micklow grew a passion for studying domestic violence, which launched into the focus of her professional career.
Our first published article was the first in the country on domestic violence. We called it Wife Assault at that time, and it launched the first shelter to be built in Michigan.
In the early 70s, Micklow was one of the founders of the Women's Center, which serves Marquette and Elder counties.
It has been an amazing development. I'm so proud of that center. I think we're the longest, I know we're the longest continuously serving Women's Center in the state, and possibly in the country. The community has been very responsive to us.
After about 14 years as district judge, she retired. Tune into Local 3 News tonight at 11 to hear about another woman who is currently a Marquette County judge. Reporting in Marquette, Rebecca Bartolome, Local 3 News.